खुलती है पीडीएफ
Yes,
मेरे से।
ma'am.
Beta, I am sending the simplest PDF.
नो मैम, तो भी नहीं खुल रही मेरे में तो।
हाँ मैम।
मैंने
Yes, ma'am. मेरे में भी नहीं खुल रही है। मेरे में भी नहीं खुल रही है।
मैम मेरे में भी खुल नहीं रही है। मैम मैंने कितनी बार ट्राई
Okay.
किया।
मैम
मैम डाउनलोड तो ट्राई फिर वो हो जाता है, बंद हो जाता है।
हाँ मैम, मेरे में भी ऐसा ही होता
Okay.
है।
मैम पूरा डाउनलोड होता है, फिर देर देर होने की देर होती है, तो फिर वैसा हो जाता है। हाँ मैम ऐसा ही
Okay.
होता है। मैं
हाँ
2-3
मैम।
बार ट्राई कर। मैम मेरी तो खुल गई, मेरी।
Okay,
मेरी भी खुल
Merin.
गया, लेना पड़ गया। मैम आप सिर्फ पीडीएफ
मेरा भी खुल गई यार।
आप पीडीएफ भेजते हो ना, उसमें ही ऐसा होता है। मैम मेरे में
Okay.
खुल रही है।
बात हाँ, सब में तो खुल रही है।
चैप्टर की भी वैसा हुआ था मुझे। मैम
हाँ,
मैंने 2 बार।
मैम मेरी इस बार पीडीएफ में खुली, बाकी सब खुली।
है।
मैम मेरी तो
मैम
खुल
मेरी
रही
भी
है।
नहीं खुली। मैम मेरी पहले भी कई पीडीएफ
मैम
नहीं
जब
खुल
वो
रही थी।
डाउनलोड फेल हो जाता है
यस मैम, मेरी भी कई पीडीएफ नहीं खुली।
मैम मेरी खुल रही है दोनों।
Okay. Okay. The solution to your problem is that you all try again, and still if it is not opening, okay, we will see why it is happening, and right.
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
But until then, see that you take some photographs from your friends and complete. Okay.
ओके मैम।
ओके मैम।
Don't say that, ma'am, I have not written because PDF is not getting open. Huh?
ओके मैम।
ओके मैम।
All of you.
यस
Okay.
मैम, देखो अभी भी यही हो रहा है। देखो डाउनलोड करते हैं और फिर बंद हो जाए।
Huh?
डाउनलोड करते हैं ना, तो डाउनलोड होती है, फिर लास्ट में ना वो बंद हो जाती है और फिर वापस डाउनलोड करना पड़ता
Okay.
यस
है।
मैम,
मैम
कई
मेरे
बार
फोन
ऐसा
में
हो
भी
जाता
ऐसा ही होता है। मैम आपको दिखाओ। मैम
हाँ.
आपको मैं दिखाऊं? मैम मैं आपको दिखाऊं कि पीडीएफ?
Okay. Now, beta, we'll see why it is not getting open. Okay.
ओके मैम, मैं आपको शेयर स्क्रीन करके दिखाऊं?
मैम मैं रीड करूँ, मेहरीन?
Yes, Marine. So last class we started about Marine. Okay,
मैम
you will
मैंने
read today.
तीनों की देख कर खोल कर देख ली, पर खुलती ही नहीं है।
मैम मेरी भी
So we
खुलती
started
नहीं है।
about Mahavir Swami, right? We completed about
अभी ही देखा मैंने।
Buddha. Okay. Yes or no? है ना बेटा?
यस।
Yes. In the last class we started about the teachings of Mahavir Swami, right? Where he was born, right? And where what was his early life, right? This is the photo of Mahavir Swami. Can you see?
यस मैम। यस मैम।
Hello.
यस मैम। यस मैम।
यस मैम।
Yes. Can you see, beta?
यस मैम।
यस मैम। मैम।
यस मैम।
Yes. So Mahavir Swami was born in where? In Gantak Kshatriya dynasty of Sundargam Republic of Maji Union. Okay. Is it clear?
यस मैम, क्लियर। यस मैम, क्लियर।
His childhood name was Vardhaman, and his father Siddhartha was the king of the republic. Who was he?
King of the Republic.
Yes, he was the king of the republic. Okay. Now his childhood republic का नाम क्या था? Vaji Union. Okay. Now the most important thing is that his childhood name was Vardhaman. What was his childhood name, beta?
Vardhanath.
Vardhanath nahi, Vardhaman. What was it, beta?
Vardhaman.
Yes, his childhood name was Vardhaman. Okay. जैसे how Gautam Buddha's childhood name was what?
What, ma'am?
Gautam Buddha's childhood name was Siddhartha. Remember or forgot?
Yes, ma'am. Siddhartha.
The same is same. Mahavir Swami's childhood name was Vardhaman. Okay. Is it clear? And his father name was Mahavir Swami's mother name was Trishla Devi, and his elder brother's name was Nandi Vardhan. Okay. Like Gautam Buddha, Mahavir Swami was also a prince. Thus, he acquired knowledge of many arts. He was married to Princess Yashoda. To whom was he married?
Yashoda. Princess Yashoda.
Yes.
Yashoda.
And he had one, yes, and he had one daughter. Her name was Priya Darshini. What was her name, beta?
Priya Darshini.
Yes. Now leaving home in sadhana. Okay. He left home at the age of 30 years in search of knowledge. In search of what, beta?
Knowledge.
Yes, to acquire knowledge. Okay. He lived life. How did he live life? He lived life as a bhikshuk, a beggar. Okay. And did harsh penance for 12 years. उन्होंने तप किए, यज्ञ किए. कितने साल तक किए बेटा? कितने साल तक? Yes, 12 years. Yes, and where you know beta? On the bank of river Rajupilika, he attained the highest knowledge of Keval Gnan. That is Keval Gnan. Keval Gnan means what? Highest knowledge that he acquired. Okay. As he conquered his mind and senses, he was called Jin. Who was he called, beta?
Jin.
Jin. Yes. Such great mighty Vardhaman came to be known as Mahavir. What did he came to be known as, beta?
Mahavir.
Yes, Mahavir. Now, what are his preachings that we will discuss now? Okay. But before going to that, Meherin, you revise these two parts. Mahavir Swami's early life and leaving home and sadhana.
Okay, ma'am. Mahavir Swami was born in Bangkok.
Bangkok नहीं गंतक.
गंतक की क्षत्रिय dynasty of Kundgram Republic was Vaji Union. His childhood name was Vardhaman. His father's name
Very good.
Siddhartha was the king of the republic. Mahavir Swami's mother name
mother name was Trishla
Devi. His elder brother's name was Nandivardhan. Like Gautam Buddha, Mahavir Swami was also a prince.
1 minute बेटा. स्क्रीन डार्क हो गई ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll present again, huh? 1 minute, beta. Yes, now you can see.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. See.
Yes, ma'am. Now. Yes, ma'am. Now.
Yes, ma'am. Now see.
Can I
Mahavir
read
Swami.
Kulsum Malwan?
Mahavir Swami was also a prince. Thus, the acquired knowledge of many arts. He was married to Princess Yashoda. His daughter name was Priyadarshani.
Yeah,
Living home
his
and
daughter name was प्रियादर्शनी. देखो, लाइक गौतम बुद्धा जैसे प्रिंस थे, है ना, वैसे ही महावीर स्वामी भी प्रिंस थे, है ना. और उनका चाइल्डहुड नेम क्या था? वर्धमान. व्हाट वाज हिज चाइल्डहुड नेम? वर्धमान भी एक राजा थे, प्रिंस थे, राइट. तो भी उन्होंने संसार को छोड़ा और कितने साल तक साधना की, पेनेंस किया, हार्ड वर्क किया.
12 years.
हाँ, और
12 years.
भिक्षुक की तरह रहे, राइट. मीन्स he left all the worldly pleasures, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Living home and sadhana. He left home at the age of 30 years in search of knowledge. He lived as a
भिक्षुक.
bhikshu, beggar, and did a
Harsh,
penance of
penance.
harsh penance of 12 years on the bank of river Riju, Rijupalka. He attained the highest knowledge, i.e., केवल
आई को क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज. आई को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? दैट इज.
that is
हाँ,
केवल केवल ज्ञान. He has cornered his mind and sense. He was called jinn. Such great mighty Vardham came to be as Mahavir.
वर्धमान.
Vardhaman came to be known as Mahavir.
Yes. So he came to be known as Mahavir. Now, becoming Mahavir from Vardhaman, okay, what preachings he gave? Yes. What did he teach the people? Yes, that we will see. First of all, he taught people about non-violence, है ना, कि not to do violence. Okay, मतलब मारा मारी नहीं करनी है, किसी को मारना नहीं, not even animals, right? Not only animals, but not only human beings, but animals को भी नहीं मारना है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Then no, not to speak lies means truth. STC मतलब के theft, robbery जो करते हैं वो नहीं करनी है, right? Non possessiveness, अपिग्रह means what? कि अपनी चीज ना हो उस पे कब्जा नहीं करना है. Do you get my point? Yes, all this whether teachings, brahmacharya, all this were teachings, like just as how the teachings of reformer, which were of Mahavir Swami, right?
Yes.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, beta, read.
Ma'am, can I read Arya Fatima? My turn is not coming.
Yes, Alia, read beta.
Okay, ma'am. Creating like Buddha, Mahavir, me to believe that the world is full of pain and sorrow. He rejected God's experience. His teachings are known as doctrine of Krishna. He praised the following 5 roads. Number 1. Non-villages. Mahavir Swami believed that violence is one of the biggest evil of human security. So there should not be violence of any kind. Even the smallest creature has the right
Creative
to
नहीं,
live.
creature.
Creature has the right to life. Even
Live नहीं, live.
live. Even metal willows should not be done. Protecting animals is the real duty of human beings. Number 2. Trust. We should never speak lies. We should not speak without thinking our understanding. We should abstain eager to follow the trust. The trust should always be followed in every systemic turn. Number 3. Esteem.
Ma'am,
F
can
is the biggest giver. We should not take anybody thing without his or permission. Entering anybody's house without permission is also like stealing. By saving, so he tends to keep the security of that time away from stealing. Number 4. Non-possessive apparatchik.
अपिग्रह.
Apigraha.
हाँ.
Man should not store goods, processing or making or clothing beyond their requirement. Keeping the things as their requirement reduce quality instant in a personal and key things like drones reach upon the poor people. This was his important message. Number 5.
ब्रह्मचार्य.
Brahmacharya. He specially told 10 monks and nuns
Specifically.
told 10 monks and nuns to observe celibacy. Okay.
Yes, understood. So preachings मतलब के उन्होंने क्या सिखाया था people को, है ना? What did he teach people, right? That is preachings. Okay. Now बेटा very important part के like Buddha, महावीर स्वामी to believe. महावीर स्वामी खुद भी believe करते थे. क्या believe करते थे? That the world is full of fear and sorrows. What did he believe?
Fear and sorrow.
That the world is full of मतलब सब एक दूसरे सब डरते हैं, दुखी हैं, है ना? ऐसे. He rejected. What did he reject? He rejected God's existence. And what did he say? He said that there should be, his teaching are known as doctrine or of Trinanta. What is this? This I'll explain you. Okay. Now the most important thing is 4 teachings. 5 woes એટલે કે જો हम follow करेंगे, है ना? The things which we are going to follow are non-violence. What is it?
Non-violence.
हाँ.
Non-violence.
Yes,
Now
non-violence
can
means what? Yes, say Kulsum, what is non-violence? Kulsum,
yes,
हाँ बोलो बेटा, what is non-violence?
yes, ma'am. Non
नहीं, रीड नहीं करना है, मुझे समझाना है. अभी तो मैंने बोला बेटा कि नॉन वायलेंस मीन्स व्हाट, के नो टू बीट नो वन, नॉट टू बीट एनिमल्स, नॉट टू बीट एनीवन. अंडरस्टूड? दैट इज नॉन वायलेंस. Is it clear? Not to beat anyone, not to harass anyone, right? Just as Mahatma Gandhi also followed the path of non-violence to achieve freedom from the Britishers, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what did he
Right.
say? What did he say? He said that Mahatma believed that violence is one of the biggest evil of human society. What it is, beta? Violence is the biggest unit of the society. Biggest evil. Evil એટલે કે દુશ્મન. There should not be violence of any kind. Even the smallest creature has the right to live. What it has, beta? Huh? All the smallest creatures have the life to live, right? Live the life. Smallest creature जो भी है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
चाहे वो आंट हो या कुछ भी हो, right? They have the life. They have a life. They have a right to live, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Right.
Yes. Even
Yes, ma'am.
बाप रे, so louder you are. Even the smallest creature, yes, has his own duty. And you know, beta, even the mental peace should be not be done. Mental harassment should also not be done. है ना? किसी को मारना और ये तो ठीक है, बट मेंटल हेरेसमेंट भी नहीं करना चाहिए. है ना? किसी को मेंटली भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए, किसी को हेरेसमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए. दैट आर ऑल हिज प्रीचिंग, राइट? इज इट क्लियर टिल हियर?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
यस. ओके.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what were his preaching? Oh, my screen turned black again.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Left. Okay.
I'll present again, my dear students.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So what is non-violence, beta? What is non-violence?
And the
Hmm? What is non-violence? What do you understand by non-violence?
Not eat anyone else.
Huh?
किसी को परेशान नहीं करना और है ना किसी को हैरेस नहीं करना.
Yes.
लड़ना.
Huh? Not even beating and not even harassing anyone, right?
Right, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can see again my screen.
no.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see.
No, ma'am.
No.
Your screen is black.
Okay. Now, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is all about non-violence. Okay. Now we will see about truth. Yes, what did Mahavir Swami teach his disciples? To speak the truth. है ना? We should never speak lies. We should not speak without thinking or understanding. है ना? बिना सोचे समझे भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We should not think without thinking. You should not speak anything. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes. So all these are important preachings. Okay. That Mahavir Swami gave, right? We should not abstain anger to follow the truth. We should always be followed by every situation, right? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes. So I hope everyone will follow this. Hai na? You will not speak lies. You will not
Yes,
speak
ma'am.
true. You will not speak words that are, that are very much, harsh to anyone. Yes.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
then ST. Okay. What is ST, beta? Just now only I said you. Anyone remember? Don't remember?
Not remember, ma'am.
Okay. Esteem is what? Theft or any robbery that you are doing that you shall not do. है ना? Theft is the biggest evil. We should not take anybody's things without his or her permission. What should we not do, beta?
Without the permission.
Without her permission, we should not take anything of anyone, right?
Okay. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Right.
Anyone's permission, without anyone's permission, we should not take anyone's anything. And apart from that, beta, entering anyone's house without their permission is also not good. Is also like stealing. Yes.
Yes.
So we shall always take permission to enter in anyone's house, right? Right or wrong? By saying so,
Right, ma'am.
he tried to
Right,
keep
ma'am.
the society of that time away from stealing. Okay, away from what, beta?
No,
Away
remember,
from,
ma'am.
sorry, away from stealing of the people को किस चीज से दूर रखा? Stealing से, चोरी से, right?
Stealing, sir.
Yes. Now the
Sorry, sir.
fourth one that he gave, that is no apigraha, non-possessiveness. मतलब કે man should not store goods. मतलब કે જેટલી આપણે જરૂરત હોય એટલું જ લેવાનું, not more than that. है ना? ज्यादा
Yes,
स्टोर
ma'am.
करके नहीं रखने का.
नहीं रखने का.
हाँ, કે આ બધું આપણે પછી વાપરશું, ऐसा नहीं. Use it, store it only that you require. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, ये બહુ જાજુ ભેગું નહીં કરવાનું. ઓકે?
हाँ, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
हाँ. Reduce the collections, ornaments, clothes beyond the requirement. है ना? जो हमारे requirement नहीं है उनको store नहीं करना है. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. So what he said, that reduce the collection instinct in the person and things like grains reach up to the poor people. See, if we store a lot of things, right, then the things will not be able to reach to the poor people. What, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So instead, if we don't store so much of things, the poor people will also get all the things, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes. So reduce collection instinct in the person and things like grains reach up to the poor people. This was his important message. Yes, what was this? This was his important.
Important message.
Yes.
Important message.
Yes. Then brahmacharya. Now, what is brahmacharya? Anyone knows?
No, ma'am.
Okay. He specifically told Jain monks and nuns to observe celibacy, means not to get married. Okay. not to get married. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that is that is what he
Okay, ma'am.
asked his disciples. सबको नहीं, पर जो उसके disciples बनते हैं, जो उनके उसमें जाते हैं यज्ञ धर्म मोक्ष में सेंट बनने के लिए, उनके लिए to adopt brahmacharya. Is it clear till here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Very.
Clear.
Yes, chalo. Who will revise the preachings of Mahavir Swami?
Ma'am, can I Sirat
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
Sirat, you can. Sirat, you can.
preachings like Buddha Mahavir Swami too believed that the world is full of fear and sorrows. He rejected God's existence. His teachings are known as doctrine of Triratna. He preached the following five vows. Number one, non-violence. Mahavir Swami believed that violence is one of the biggest evil of human society. There should not be violence of any kind. Even the smallest creature has the right to live. Even mental violence should not be done. Protecting animals is the real duty of human beings. Number two, truth. We should never speak lies. We should not speak without thinking or understanding. We should abstain anger to follow the truth. The truth should always be followed in every situation. Number three, ST. Theft is the biggest evil. We should
Have.
not.
Okay.
Theft is the biggest evil. We should not take anybody's things without his or her permission. Entering anybody's house without permission is also like stealing. By saying so, he tried to keep the society of that time away from stealing. Number four, non
ST.
number four, non-possessiveness. Up, aparigraha. Man should not store goods, possessions, ornaments, or clothings beyond their requirement. Keeping the things as per requirement reduces collection instinct in a person and things like grains reach up to the poor people. This was his important message. Number five, brahmacharya.
Non-possessiveness. Brahmacharya. Huh.
He specifically told Jain monks and nuns to observe celibacy.
Yes. Any doubt till here, girls?
No, ma'am.
No,
No
ma'am.
doubt.
No.
Understood? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All of you I'm asking. Only one girl is replying.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All girls
Understood.
understood?
Very understood.
Yes. Everyone understood, right?
Yes.
So no
Yeah.
one has any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am. No doubt.
ma'am.
Yes.
No,
So
no doubt.
we will come end this topic here. The next will be carried in the next class. Today, what you'll do in homework, complete your fair book, and the second thing is what? Read the lesson.
Ma'am, I
See,
have complete my fair.
मैम पीडीएफ नहीं खुल रही है
है?
पीडीएफ ही नहीं खुल रही है मेरे फोन में
But yes, I understand your point. I said, first